Good evening, classmates. Now we're going to make separating mixtures through evaporation. We need an apron, also a pan, a spoon, and 1 cup of soap, 2 cups of water. Before we start, we need to wear an apron. In this video, we will demonstrate the process of separating mixtures to evaporation. Put 1 glass of salt in the mixing bowl. Then, add 2 glasses of water and mix it well. Put the salt water to the pan slowly. Then mix it again. Then let's wait for it to be a salt again. After boiling, put it in another bowl. Scrape. I hope you've learned something.